Hi everybody, today we would like to demonstrate how you can set the reminder on your iPhone 14 series device. So first of all, find the dedicated reminders app if you are not able to, look it up at your home screens. Simply open the app library, which appears once you swipe all the home screens all the way to the right, or you can also access the search option by tapping on this little rectangular over here. So let's say we'll open the app library. In here, search the Reminders application app. Once your Reminders app is launched, choose the location access that you are ready to grant to it. So either no location permissions whatsoever, allow once, allow while using the app. I'll go with don't allow, which is not needed currently. At the bottom left corner, you have this little new reminder option which you want to click on. Then type in the title for this reminder, some notes if you have any, add the details. So for example, some particular date, time for this reminder to come through, the repeat behavior, some tags, location. If you want to, you gotta, of course, obviously allow reminders to have an access to locations in order to turn it on over here. Then when messaging option, flag, and set some priority for it, as well as add some custom image or URL. After you have configured all the details that you are interested in, choose what list you would like to add to this particular reminder to, and then at the top right corner, go for the tap feature over here, or tap option, add option of course. And just like so, you have successfully created the new reminder. Let me find it real quick. Just a second. I can simply find it in those lists pretty easily. Here it is in the YouTube on Mac OS list. But I guess in here I gotta go for the all list. Yep, here it is. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.